Hey guys, I am back today with this awesome curling iron called BeachWaver, and it's size 1.25 inches. Woohoo! And I'm gonna show you in 5 minutes how I could wave all my hair. So let the clock begin, and here we go. Okay, it's been 5 minutes and voila, it's all waved out. Look at this beach wave. Oof. I am ready to go out and celebrate, and my curls are looking fabulous. So one thing you do need to remember is that curls don't take long as as the tool is awesome. And this tool, pretty much I just hold 8 seconds for every curl. This iron is so great because it rotates, right? And then all I need to count is 8 seconds and then it's all done. So my whole head, I just finished my whole hair in 5 minutes. It looks awesome. And I love it. I just did the whole head by myself in 5 minutes. I hope you guys really check this out. I hope you guys really like this curling iron. Thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome vids. Bye.